Okay girls, so let us start with our next topic, that is the squeeze principle. Now what is squeeze principle? It's very easy. They are saying if FGH are functions such that fx is less than gx is less than hx for all x in some deleted neighborhood of a. So deleted neighborhood of a का मतलब क्या होता है? X is approaching to a. And इस सच दैट कि जब हम इसकी लिमिट एक्स अप्रोचेस टू ए ले रहे हैं तो एल आंसर आ रहा है, एज वेल एज इसका लिमिट एक्स अप्रोचेस टू ए ले रहे हैं तो भी आंसर एल आ रहा है. सो वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट लिमिट एक्स अप्रोचेस टू ए जी ऑफ एक्स विल ऑल्सो बी इक्वल टू एल. दिस इज नोन एज स्क्वीज प्रिंसिपल. सो नाउ because limit x approaches to f of x is equal to L, therefore by definition given epsilon greater than 0 however small we can find a positive number delta 1 such that fx minus L modulus is less than epsilon for 0 less than mod of x minus a less than delta 1. That is ये mod की definition use की तो ये आ जाएगा. कैसे आया ये? जब आप f of x minus L modulus less than epsilon लिख रहे हो then by definition of mod you can write minus epsilon is less than f of x minus L is less than epsilon. So adding L on both sides आपके पास ये बन जाएगा. Similarly because limit x approaches to a h of x is equal to L, so again for given epsilon positive however small we can find a positive number delta 2 such that h of x minus L modulus is less than epsilon for 0 less than x minus a modulus less than delta 2. सेम ऐसे ही करके ये वाला स्टेप आ गया. नाउ लेट अस चूज डेल्टा एज मिनिमम ऑफ डेल्टा 1 एंड डेल्टा 2. सो फ्रॉम 1 एंड 2 जो हमने ये दोनों रिजल्ट्स किए थे जो डेल्टा 1 डेल्टा 2 के लिए ट्रू थे वो डेल्टा के लिए भी ट्रू हो जाएंगे. सो क्लियर. सो ये बन गया नंबर 3 एंड नंबर 4. और हमें गिवन क्या है? that fx is less than g of x is less than h of x for all x in some deleted neighborhood of a. At that means ये inequality भी hold करती है for x minus a modulus less than delta. तो अगर आप इन तीनों inequalities को combine करो तो fx is greater than L minus epsilon is less than gx is less than hx will be less than L plus epsilon. So इन तीनों को combine करके they have got from 3, 4 and 5 we get L minus epsilon is less than fx is less than gx is less than hx is less than L plus epsilon in the deleted neighborhood of A.